So Dave got dinner, Tommy on Mairt and ish. We're on Tuesday today. August tá na ceistena seo a goibh. Okay, so tá an scéal déanta goin hana féin. We've already done our story stirrim, right? August Tommy con na ceistena a dhéanamh inis. Okay, so iver a sé. So cada hug on múntóir don na chalíní. So what did the teachers give to the girls? Iver a seacht, stop sé ag charbáistí rihan lei. So did the rain stop during the day, or did it stop raining during the day? Cada hárla iver hocht, cada hárla nuair a duscail an múntóir an doras. So cada hárla means what happened. Agus an ceann eile, cé a hug na páistí a bhaile. So cé a hug na páistí a bhaile, or hug na páistí a bhaile. Who brought the children home? Agus iver de an rev daddy búrtha. So búrtha you've already learned from your folklore means worried. So an rev daddy búrtha, was he worried? Okay, so the simple enough thing to do today. It's just criach nig na habertí. All right, so criach nig na habertí means you just have to make up a sentence with those verbs to start. So V is was, cuig is went, cur is put, hrick is arrived, I suppose. Hog is to take, and husig is to start. Okay, so so off you go, guys. You can just do a sentence for each of those. So not too much to do today. Slán live.